Manya woru bedo nido mi Kwero nido pa jurutish matong I lobo zo batasaga ne Uganda kakai Kwer ne maditu bedo tie I district mi Eastern Uganda yonyango mi Uganda majiluongo Namutumba district Busoga sub-region. Of course waneno Juma dongo mi Busoga Rebecca Litalo Alitwala Kadaga mu bedo tie former speaker me parliament makone tie deputy prime minister neno passes na muganza kicheke, but above all daro pirabusi eluangwen majumiki gi Medali piti mutishi matek magwe pat wamiu Medali ki MPs wamiu Medali ki police la chale nangagi ento po wamiu Medali ki jo magiwe guru chalo I Kampala City Council Authority. Why not pingo? Kong, what do you think about that celebration, Kong?
It is good Niki Kwer Labor Day. Maruni and Lutic ento dana weng gitiu iyo mapat. Amero wache wangeyo dogni any national function, part of the event or part of the agenda is mimi Medali.
Yeah.
Donc anena bene kichele chalo Medali is kamodong it will lose the meaning. PM it has become a common thing.
It's now a norm.
Now, John, no, it takes you some good years minongo Medali. Kila chele kane. That was the value attached to it. Roma ki these media awards madano noni. Inero awards make meo machel is not consistent. Katina don no mwaramona don keng mwaramona don to you matek where non. Now it makes it a bit competitive and you work for it. But also
no, but Pat, just to correct you a little bit or give you a sense of direction. This Medali makimio erni, I do not think Mwaramu Karmo celebrating International Labor Day, those are the same people makimini Medali. They also keep on changing.
Dana makimini part. It is the same thing every event.
Just the same as the media, what you're talking about.
The same thing we have it on Women's Day. Every national event, including Church Award in Matters Day, it matters awards.
But the matters died. Who are you going to award?
They don't have relatives. Jomota adi mala woke minigi Medali. Imuni old date kono nga kinga kono timugena ngolo tiano bigam. These are things.
So my question is, you didn't answer my question. Please answer my question. Medali mo ati mi erani pingo watika concentrating only on the elite class. Jo magitika luoko choron public toilets. Jo magitika yuwe gudu pa government erani like in Kampala City Council Authority. Why can't you give these common citizens too? And two, Medali erani doesn't come with any envelope. So what?
Me gamo answer ni. Atamane tie kumaro because jo magi vetting, jo magi beri yeni. Gitimoni gengi they are the highlights. They have the predominancy. Mi neroni ngama mirke yenye kiket kwe. Owero jo matila mal magi ngene mago yuek. Ngola kore Medali ni. Enter which are ruby magati timo jimo matino tia. Mano lago bene ko padano nobody is going to see them. Piwa ni tika timo tijma mege. Ero tijma mega niko jomon magi meaning go timo giyango. The unsung heroes, boom, Uganda can. There are people we see, Magitimu Jima Bejo, and nobody wants to associate with them. Pingo, PMRDC money, take a nanning arm ritually district Mamege, Kwer, take a nanning arm ritual, Kiramaki Kichoko Ningo Wank Kilo a desk by the vetting committee, the nominating committee. No people are always Lorem or Kigela. Well, so that kind of racket of friendship is the one which is killing.
But
this
I'm going
venture.
to cut this conversation, and we are even going to continue that same conversation in another dimension.